Hey y'all, it's Hope from digthegoodlife.com, and today's video I thought I would take you along with me while I paint my new barn quilt. We don't have a barn, so it's not for a barn. I guess I'll have to call it the chicken hutch quilt because I'm going to put it on the side of our little chicken's hutch. And my husband cut the wood for me, and he even drew out the pattern. So I'm going to tape it up and paint it, and I thought it would be a fun video. So I'm going to put my apron on and let's go paint. So I will actually go find a picture of my inspiration, and I'll put it up here just so you can see kind of what I'm thinking about. And I went off of that for the design and for the colors. So I've got like a kind of a cream, kind of a royal, oh, you can't even see that, a cream, kind of a navy, a teal, dark teal, and then I have an aqua and a gray, and I have three pinks, a salmon, a kind of a watermelon, and then like a pale pink. So I think altogether these will be really pretty, so we'll see. So the first thing I'm going to do is tape it, and my theory is that I'm going to start with the shapes in the middle and then work my way out so that I'm not taping as much over paint that I've already put on there. So we'll see if my theory works. This is the first time I've ever done this. Okay, so my first initial theory was to go in to out, but now I'm all of a sudden realizing that I have to let each coat dry in between, and while I'm painting this, I can't paint any of the neighboring blocks because the tape is blocking it. So I think my new strategy is just to paint whatever block I can at the moment while the other one dries. We'll see.
Absorbed in something creative or even doing housework, like folding clothes or doing the dishes, I really enjoy listening to an audiobook. And my favorite place to find audiobooks is a service called Script, and it's an app for your phone, or it's a website if you don't have a smartphone, but it's about $10 a month, and you basically just have access to all of the audiobooks and ebooks that you could ever read or listen to. They have children's books, they have the classics, they have nonfiction, they have new titles, old titles, basically almost everything that you can think of to search for that you might want to listen to or read, it's on there. It's absolutely a book lover's dream come true. So if you'd like to check it out, my code is down in the description and you can get 30 days completely free to try. And it was time for a chocolate break.
Hi, honey. If you'll get your overalls and I'll help you put them back on, we're gonna go to Nana's and take a walk with her. Okay?
Where?
At Nana's house. So.
Can we do that? I want the yellow light on way.
You what?
What is over the while?
We'll see, but we're gonna go see her and take a walk with her. So that's all you need to know right now. So go get your overalls and I'll help you.
And I'm going to have things to play with and have we take a look.
You don't need things to play with. You need to go get your overalls and I will help you put them on.
I'm gonna find them, but now I found them.
Well, go look again.
These are my overalls.
Those aren't your overalls. Go find them.